Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to check in online in Spring Airlines chain. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for Spring Airlines. This is the keyword. Scroll down, click the first website here. After that, friends, all you have to do, follow me in this video, log in your account. Click on login with your all information. Log in with your email address and the password. As you can see here, log in with your all details. After that, friends, all you have to do, go to the departures, this one, and then go to flight state. On flight state, friends, you can check your all online of your states. As you can see here, in my case, I don't have any flight. If you have any flight, you can check here online without any problem. You find your all flight check by number. You can check by numbers and by airports from here. So friends, this is how you can do. Just log in your account and sign up. Log in with your all details. When you log in, you will go to this option. Just wait, go to flight state, and then you can check your state, depart, and for your flight ticket. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this